Bitcoin money value equivalent to $125.82 a coin, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The present exchange cost range, 124.49 126.55 in a significant way. The earlier day close, 125.05 in an extremely significant way. The change basically was plus 0.77, plus 0.62%, which is genuinely critical. Backwards rate, USD to BCH, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month amazingly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $117, for the most part greatest 125, kind of least 109 in a significant way. Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, April 24, cost $119, lovely most extreme 127, really least 111. Showing how today's exchange cost range, 124.49 126.55, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $116, genuinely greatest 124, truly least 108 in an essentially significant way. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost $118, most extreme 126, genuinely least 110, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $118, greatest 126, essentially least 110, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost $119, genuinely most extreme 127, sort of least 111 in a genuinely large manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $121, for the most part greatest 129, truly least 113, in every practical sense. Further appearance how Bitcoin money cost commonly equivalent to $125.82 a coin, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $121, all things considered, most extreme 129, sort of least 113, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $122, sort of greatest 131, fundamentally least 113, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $124, kind of greatest 133, least 115 amazingly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $126, by and large greatest 135, kind of least 117, which especially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $125, lovely most extreme 134, kind of least 116, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $124, all things considered, most extreme 133, in every way that really matters, least 115, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost $123, especially most extreme 132, especially least 114, which by and large is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $123, beautiful most extreme 132, fundamentally least 114 in a sort of huge manner. Bitcoin money figure on Friday, May 12, cost $127, lovely most extreme 136, especially least 118, showing how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $121. All things considered, greatest 129, truly least 113. Sort of additional appearance how Bitcoin money cost pretty equivalent to $125.82 a coin. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $127, truly greatest 136, certainly least 118 in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $124, really greatest 133, most certainly least 115, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $126, extremely greatest 135, certainly least 117 incredibly. In about a month Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $129, extremely greatest 138, really least 120, which certainly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $127, kind of greatest 136, really least 118 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 22, cost $129, most certainly greatest 138, kind of least 120, which is very huge. USD to BCH conversion scale kind of equivalent to 0.7948 coins per $100 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S reach 0.7902 minus 0.8033, showing how Bitcoin money figure on Friday, April 28, cost $119 in every way that really matters. Most extreme 127, least 111, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The past day, S nearby 0.7997, exhibiting how in about 14 days Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost $124, exceptionally greatest 133, extremely least 115, or so they for the most part thought. Change for now 0.0049, 0.61%. USD to BCH cost gauge for in the not so distant future and month, which essentially is very critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Friday, April 21, cost 0.855 coins. Beautiful greatest 0.917, most certainly least 0.800, or so they basically thought. USD to BCH expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 0.840 coins. Really greatest 0.901, most certainly least 0.787. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.862 coins. All things considered, greatest 0.926, genuinely least 0.806 in a sort of large manner. USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.847 coins. Certainly most extreme 0.909, kind of least 0.794. Showing how Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $119, truly greatest 127, really least 111 and in an every practical sense, significant way. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.847 coins. By and large greatest 0.909, essentially least 0.794. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 0.840 coins. Genuinely greatest 0.901, kind of least 0.787 in a fundamentally significant manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 0.826 coins. Really greatest 0.885, beautiful least 0.775. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.826 coins. Greatest 0.885, lovely least 0.775, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.820 coins. Kind of greatest 0.885, extremely least 0.763, which generally is very huge. In about 14 days USD to BCH forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.806 coins. Most extreme 0.870, truly least 0.752, which is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 0.794 coins. Sort of greatest 0.855, essentially least